Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So students, we'll continue our class. In previous class we have learned that finding HCF by listing methods, by listing factor, right? Now we'll see more methods of finding HCF. Okay, so finding HCF by prime factorization. Let's say this. Finding HCF by prime factorization. So take out page number 43 in your math readers. Now say this. Following are the steps for finding HCF of two or more numbers using prime factorization. Here we have some steps. These are the steps to find the factorization, prime factorization of a given number. Okay, what are the steps? Let's see. The first step is find the prime factorization of given number. Then the second step is find the common factors and circle them. Then the third step is multiply the common factors to get the HCF. These are the steps which we have to follow. Okay. Now we'll start our question. Let us now find the HCF of 72, 64 and 48. We'll find the HCF of these all three numbers. Okay. What we have to do here? Our first step, that is find the prime factorization of each of the numbers. Here first we have to find the factorization of each of the numbers 72, 64 and 48. Okay, we can factorize the numbers as follows. How we can find it? You see here. 72, 36 to the 72, 18 to the 36, 9 to the 18, 3 3 the 9. These 2, 2, 2 and 3, these are the factors of 72, right? Now the next number is 64. 32 to the 64, 18 to the 32, 8 to the 16, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4, right? So here these all 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, these all are the factors of 64. Then the third number is 48. 24 to the 48, 12 to the 24, 6 to the 12, 3 to the 6, right? So here this 2, 2, 2 and 2, these all are the factors of 48. Now the second step is find the common factors and circle them. Now see here the second step. Here we have written that 72, these all are the factors. 68, these are the factors. 48, these all are the factors of 48. Now the second step, circle the common factors in all the given numbers. Now see here. What are the common factors? Here 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. This 2 is present in all the factors, right? In 72 also, in 64 also, in 48 also. So we'll circle this, we'll color this 2 also and these all 2 also. Then see here, the next number is 3. In the second one 3 is present? No. In 64 3 factor is not present. In 48 here the 3 is present, means we have to see the common factor, means the number should present in all the factors. So it means that here only 2 is the common factor in all three of them. Okay, turn the page. Now we'll move to the third step, multiply the common factor to get the HCF. Now we'll multiply the common factor to get the HCF. What is the common factor? 2, right? So we'll multiply this. The HCF of 72, 64 and 48. The common factors are 2, 2 and 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. It means 8 is the prime factor of all these numbers. Okay, 8 is the HCF of the numbers. What are the numbers? 72, 64 and 48, and the HCF of these all numbers is 8. I hope you understand the steps how to find the HCF by prime factorization. Thank you.